Tickled pink. Unraveling the joy in English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful and joyful expression, to be tickled pink. This phrase is a fantastic way to add some color to your English conversations, especially when expressing happiness or satisfaction. So, if you're ready to brighten up your English vocabulary, let's get started. To be tickled pink is an idiom that means being very pleased, happy, or delighted about something. Imagine a situation where something happens that brings you so much joy, it's as if you're being gently tickled, causing you to laugh or smile uncontrollably. The color pink here symbolizes a warm, pleasant feeling, much like the rosy blush of someone who is experiencing sheer delight. The phrase, to be tickled pink, is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. The word, tickled, refers to the feeling of pleasure or gratification, while pink is thought to suggest the highest degree of something, in this case, pleasure. This idiom captures the essence of being so happy that it shows, much like a glowing, pink blush on someone's cheeks. Using to be tickled pink in your conversations can add a playful and expressive layer to your English. Here are a few examples. I was tickled pink to receive your gift. It was exactly what I wanted. My grandmother was tickled pink when we surprised her on her birthday. He was tickled pink by the news of his promotion at work. Notice how this phrase perfectly conveys a strong sense of joy and satisfaction in various contexts. Now, it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using to be tickled pink. Think of moments when you felt extremely happy or satisfied and how you can describe those feelings using this idiom. Practice using it in your daily conversations, whether speaking or writing, to enhance your emotional expression in English. We hope you're tickled pink with what you've learned today. Idioms like to be tickled pink enrich your English and help you convey emotions in a colorful, vivid manner. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a splash of color to your conversations with these expressive phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.